Alright, this is cabbage, you know. We got to steam on this cabbage, so the cabbage is cut. And we got to put it in a container, and then we cut up our spice, our herbs. So this is just a cut cabbage so far. So this is the cabbage. Got the steamed nuts and cabbage. So this is a pot. Alright, a little coconut oil, vegetable. This is vegetable oil. What kind of oil is that?
Vegetable.
Okay. So vegetable oil, a little oil in the pot. That's good. Make it hot. I'm the man who say super hot. Make the oil super hot. Extract the flavor from. Yes, you can. So this is scallion, onion, and garlic. Apparently we don't have any mortars or tomato, so cooking it out. But if we have any, it's it as well. But if you don't have it, you can mix it in. So we're waiting for the oil to get super hot. Okay, now that our oil is super hot, we gotta put in the scallion, onion, and garlic. Cabbage and carrots and things. So we're just steaming down some vegetable. We're gonna put a little water in it and cover it down. Yeah. That's about. Just a little water. No more. So you're gonna put a little black pepper, a little garlic powder, some liquor to your like. Put a little more. Down, make it steam. Turn the fire down. That's it. Yeah, this is our steamed vegetable, which is carrot and cabbage. Yes, so it's ready, almost ready. So you do the steamed vegetable, remember what you do before, this is what you look like in the hand.